No matter what challenges your day brings, it's easier to face the world when your spirits are high. And it's hard to be in a good mood when you're feeling hungry or if your body is lacking key nutrients. But can eating certain foods really help keep bad moods at bay? The scientific community still has much to learn about how our diet influences our moods. While we don't have the whole story yet, we certainly have some clues. Basically, the science of how food affects our moods is based on this equation: dietary changes bring about changes in our brain structure, chemistry, and physiology, which lead to changes in behavior. Studies have shown there are quite a few things we can do, food-wise, to help stabilize our moods.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel, The Food Interval.
In this series we are going to discuss on various foods that uplift your mood. Please refer to the foods we are going to discuss. You can skip to your preferred section anytime.
Before moving further, join us on this delectable journey and become a valued member of the Food Interval community. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's savor the world of food and health together.
We've long been told that fish is a brain food, and there's convincing evidence to support this. Studies suggest regular consumption reduces age-related brain loss and may improve memory. It's the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, that appear to be responsible for this. They do this by promoting electrical signaling between nerve cells, allowing the brain to communicate quickly and easily. It's also thought that they may help improve mood.
Full of feel-good compounds and high in protective plant flavonoids, chocolate with a cocoa content of at least 70% appears to increase calmness and lift mood. Choose a product with minimal added sugar. Be sure to read labels and enjoy 1 or 2 small squares only.
A useful source of vitamin D, this sunshine vitamin, is associated with better moods. It's found in only a few food sources, but one of the most reliable is eggs, as well as oily fish, fortified breakfast cereals and spreads.
Fermented foods, which include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut and kombucha. It may improve the health of the gut by changing the balance of gut bacteria, and in so doing may influence levels of the feel-good hormone, serotonin.
A great source of vitamin B6, which is important for making feel-good brain chemicals including dopamine and serotonin. Bananas are also a good source of natural sugars combined with fiber, which helps stabilize energy levels. Some of the fiber they provide is in the form of resistant starch, a type favored by our beneficial gut bacteria.
A useful source of the amino acid tryptophan, which is needed for the production of serotonin, pumpkin seeds are very essentials. These little seeds also provide zinc and the relaxing mineral and magnesium.
Having the edge over other nuts, walnuts are an especially good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Munching just a few a day may even improve mood and reduce depression.
Chicken and turkey are excellent sources of protein, including the amino acid tryptophan that is needed for serotonin production. This lean meat also provides vitamin B12, a B vitamin that may delay the onset of low moods.
High in fiber and a good source of plant-based protein, beans and lentils are an excellent source of B vitamins, which may help mood by increasing the production of feel-good dopamine and serotonin. The B group of vitamins plays an important role in nerve signaling, allowing proper communication between the brain and the nervous system. They are also a good source of zinc, magnesium and iron, which may lift spirits and reduce fatigue.
The caffeine in coffee prevents a naturally occurring compound called adenosine from attaching to brain receptors. This keeps us more perky and alert. Caffeine also increases the release of mood-boosting dopamine.
If you have persistent depression, don't rely on food to improve your mood. Seek medical help from a professional such as a psychologist, psychiatrist, or social worker. If you're not sure where to turn, ask your doctor for a referral.
That's all for this series. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Hey, have you gone through these series? Click here to access